All right, so here in the kitchen, we want to get rid of this bay window here.
Hey, Charlie.
Hey, Kevin. Yeah, this window's not salvageable, it's rotted. And plus we gotta put 3 double hungs really in its place, frame it in, and then one in the corner also.
Little corner window redo so this banquette gets a lot of light, huh?
Absolutely.
Yeah, and this should come out pretty easy. Like you say, it's rotted. I think what we'll do is get the high lift outside, make some cuts with the saw, and see if we can just push it right out, and then get to framing. All right, we removed the old window and our demo is complete, and now we're ready to start framing for our new rough opening. Now these old studs down here, they're nailed into the side of the joist, into the old boards there. We can just leave them. They're 16 on center, so we're gonna cut for our new window height. The jack studs are going in here, cripple studs, going in there. They're gonna go alongside like that, nail them in tight. Every 16 on center. Once those are in place, we'll set our sill height. All right, now we're ready for the sill plate on top of the framing here. Put that in, tap it down. Nice. All right, our first sill plate is on. We're gonna put a second sill plate on there, and that will be the height for our rough opening once we install the header. But before I install this second sill plate, I want to figure out where we're going to put a mull post. And a mull post will be 2 2x4s that go between each window. So first thing I do is I take a 2x, I measure here from the side of this, because this is a jack stud that will hold this end of the header up. I measure the rough opening of the window, which is 33. Mark 33, double will go there. So because I'm so close to this, I'm just going to put a double against this, and that'll take care of it. Then I'm going to go 33 again, and then figure out where the jack stud will go there. So now this will be underneath, but a little bit off center, which is fine for our mull post.
So we need to make up a 1/2 inch filler for the header, and we use a 1/2 inch foam board for it. That gives a good thermal break and insulates the header really well. Now we have that 1/2 inch piece of foam between 2 2x8 sandwiched in there. We have a nice insulated header now.
Now we're going to put adhesive on the outside edge of the beam, push it up, and that'll stick it to the boards. All right, let's get it in there. You good?
Almost. Ready?
All right, so now we cut our double plates and our header from the corner where it's supposed to be all the way over to this existing stud right here, which is a little bit longer or wider than we needed. So to make up the difference, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put some fillers against the side of the existing jack stud right here. Put one here, one in the middle, and one at the top. Now this will bring us in to the rough opening that we need for our 2 studs right here against the window. All right, so now that we put the fillers in, we move the last 2 studs out. We now have 3 equal rough openings for our new windows. All we have left is install the sheathing.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.